Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best room divider screens that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sunnily Room Divider Curtain Rod. Unlike traditional room dividers, this is an adjustable tension rod designed for versatility, making it an excellent choice for renters or those who want a no-drill, damage-free solution. The adjustable height ranges from 4 to 10 feet, while the width spans 28 to 70 inches, making it customizable for a variety of spaces. The build quality is impressive, featuring durable stainless steel that's rust-proof and capable of bearing up to 45 pounds. This makes it ideal for supporting heavy blackout curtains or lighter fabric panels. However, it's worth noting that the curtains are not included, so you'll need to purchase those separately. The tension rod design means you can set it up quickly without any tools, and it's easy to remove and reuse in different spaces. While this product offers excellent flexibility, it's more of a framework than a standalone divider, as you'll need to add curtains for full functionality. It's ideal for anyone looking to partition a space temporarily, like in dorms, apartments, or shared rooms. The main downside is the lack of included curtains and a slightly higher setup complexity compared to traditional folding screens. Overall, it's a niche product but shines in the right scenarios. Coming in at number 4 is the Kekrike 4-panel room divider. This product offers a balance of privacy and portability with its lightweight yet durable design. The panels are constructed from polyester fiber, which is wrinkle-resistant, wear-resistant, and waterproof, making it a practical choice for daily use. The screen measures 88 inches wide and 67.2 inches tall, providing adequate coverage for most spaces. The Kekrike's standout feature is its flexible triple buckle hinges, allowing you to adjust the panel's orientation to suit your needs. With its 3 metal feet for added stability, it's less prone to tipping, even on uneven surfaces. However, its slightly shorter height compared to competitors might not offer the same level of privacy for taller individuals. The white fabric adds a light, airy aesthetic, but may require more frequent cleaning to maintain its appearance. This room divider is best suited for casual environments like dorm rooms, children's rooms, or small offices. While it's easy to set up and store, it lacks the premium feel and sturdiness of higher-rated options. Additionally, some users have noted that the fabric isn't completely opaque, meaning it may not provide full privacy. Still, for its intended use as a lightweight, portable solution, it gets the job done admirably. At number 3, we have the Pay Less Here 4-panel room divider. It's a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance for a variety of uses. The steel frame ensures durability, while the fabric panels provide a modern, minimalist look. Measuring 65 inches wide and 68 inches tall, it's slightly smaller than other options, but still effective for creating private spaces in offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. One of the highlights of this product is its folding design, which allows for easy storage and portability. While it lacks the additional features of more premium models like adjustable feet or water-resistant fabric, it compensates with a straightforward design that's easy to set up. The freestanding design ensures that it doesn't require wall mounts, making it versatile for temporary or permanent setups. The Pay Less Here divider is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who need a simple, lightweight partition. However, its lower price point comes with trade-offs. The fabric is thinner than higher-end models, and the shorter height may not provide full privacy in all situations. Nonetheless, it's a great option for those who value affordability and practicality. In second place is the Mayolaya 6-panel folding privacy screen. This is the largest option on our list, with a maximum width of 120 inches and a height of 71 inches, making it perfect for dividing large spaces or creating temporary rooms. Its 6-panel design offers exceptional coverage and flexibility, with the ability to adjust the configuration to suit your needs. The build quality is excellent, featuring a sturdy iron frame with a powder-coated finish. The fabric panels are made from 180 GSM polyester, which is water-resistant, tear-resistant, and non-see-through, ensuring maximum privacy. The folding design makes it easy to store when not in use, and assembly is straightforward with the included hardware and instructions. However, at 22.6 pounds, it's heavier than other options, which could be a drawback for those who need to move it frequently. This divider is ideal for large homes, offices, or shared spaces where privacy and flexibility are paramount. The only downside is its higher price point and bulkier design, which may not be suitable for smaller rooms. Still, for those who need a durable, versatile solution, the Meolaya 6-panel privacy screen is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the HomeScreener 6-feet portable room divider. This product strikes the perfect balance between quality, functionality, and price, making it our top pick. With dimensions of 88 inches wide and 71.3 inches tall, it offers ample coverage for separating spaces in homes, offices, or studios. The 240-gram polyester fabric provides excellent privacy, and its PA coating ensures it's water-resistant and easy to clean. The steel frame is both sturdy and lightweight, featuring a powder-coated finish for added durability. Adjustable foot pads improve stability on uneven floors, and the triple buckle hinges allow for flexible configurations. Whether you need a straight partition or a zigzag layout, this divider adapts to your needs. When not in use, it folds down to a compact size for easy storage. The HomeScreener is ideal for anyone looking for a high-quality, versatile room divider. It's easy to assemble, and its modern design fits seamlessly into most interiors. While it's slightly pricier than budget models, the added durability and premium features make it worth the investment. With over 1,000 positive reviews, it's clear that this product delivers on its promises. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.